who truly won the Mahabharata? The Pandavas? Krishna? Or someone beyond imagination? This is the untold story of Barbarika, the warrior who could end the war in an instant but chose the ultimate sacrifice, transforming into Khatu Shyamji, the savior of Kali Yuga. Stay till the end to uncover this divine secret. In a sacred forest, Ghatotkacha and Morvi prayed to Lord Shiva for a mighty son. Pleased with their devotion, Shiva blessed them, and soon a radiant child was born. Barbarika, being the grandson of Bhima, destined for greatness. As he grew, Barbarika gained unmatched strength. Shiva gifted him 3 divine arrows, capable of deciding any battle. But he took a pledge that he will always fight for the weaker side. His mother warned him, but fate had already set his path. Before the war, a Brahman stopped Barbarika and asked, "Which side will you fight for?" "The weaker side," Barbarika declared. The Brahman smiled and said, "If the weaker side keeps changing, then what will you do?" Barbarika hesitated. This simple question changed everything. The Brahman was none other than Krishna himself. Krishna revealed his true form and asked for a great sacrifice, that is, Barbarika's own head. Without fear, without hesitation, Barbarika smiled and said, "If this serves Dharma, I surrender." And with a single stroke, he offered his head at Krishna's feet. Krishna blessed Barbarika; his head would remain alive, witnessing the war from above. From his divine view, he saw it all. Bhishma's fall, Dronacharya's wisdom fading, Karna's last battle. But what he saw next changed everything. After the war, Ayan, Radha's husband, asked, "Who won the Mahabharata?" Barbarika's voice echoed, "The one who fought was Krishna. The one who died was Krishna. The one who won the battle was Krishna himself." Every warrior, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Duryodhana, was none other than Krishna himself. Ayan, who hated Krishna all his life, stood in shock. He finally saw the truth: Krishna was the Supreme Lord. Krishna blessed Barbarika. In Kali Yuga, you will be worshipped as Shyam, the savior of the helpless. Whoever prays to you with a pure heart will have their wishes fulfilled. And so, his head was buried in Khatu, Rajasthan, where a grand temple rose, the sacred Khatu Shyamji temple. In Hindi, Khatu also means cut, symbolizing Barbarika's great sacrifice. Today, millions chant, "Hare ka Sahara, Khatu Shyam Hamara," at Khatu Shyamji's temple, seeking his blessings. This is the story of Barbarika, the greatest sacrifice, the greatest truth. In the end, everything is Krishna, and Krishna is everything. May Khatu Shyam bless you all. Jai Khatu Shyamji. Many devotees believe in placing an image or idol of Khatu Shyamji in front of new houses and buildings for blessings, protection, and prosperity. It symbolizes his divine presence and is thought to bring good fortune and safeguard the home from negative energies.